Two apex hunters, born of the same ocean, are about to test who truly rules it. The orca strikes first, testing the shark's resolve with raw speed. But the shark is no easy prey. Agility becomes its only shield. For a moment, neither dares to commit. Respect measured in silence. The first real test of strength sends sediment exploding into the current. Now the great white answers, teeth bared, instinct fully unleashed. The orca's power proves impossible to ignore, deflecting the attack with brute force. Wounded pride, not wounded flesh. The real battle is only beginning. From the deep, the shark tries the one tactic that has never failed it. But this hunter has hunted sharks before. The ambush fails. The counter-strike lands hard, and the ocean itself seems to shudder. Now the balance of power begins to tip toward the sea's true strategist. Cornered but unbroken, the great white turns to face its fate. Dominance asserted, not through malice, but through the order of the wild. As the waters calm, two giants return to the open sea.